My eyes are watering so bad. I have to take it out soon. I need to sneeze. Pineapple, pineapple. Look it out. We're back.
I really need to stop treating this public account like it's my private law.
This is not a joke. This is real. Okay. I'm putting it back in. Oh, fuck. Oh. Okay. Right. Relax. Have another 5 minutes. Could be sick.
I'm so sorry.
No way. Jesus Christ. It works. Yeah, it works. I could do it.
Spill me, brother! No, I can feel it working because I've got snot like dribbling onto my lip.
The one on the right is literally pigs.
Oh my god!
Is that too much for all my close friends? That's like 200 people.
Yes! My ear does sound like this cowboy piece. Oh! It's working.
This one's actually too big.
Getting my eyebrow.
Like 1 minute my nose is running like a fucking tap. Fuck! And the next it's so blocked that you're breathing through your mouth to the point where you're actually dribbling. So even that would be fun. Oh shit! Oh hell no! I have no choice, they have to be removed. It's a little bit underwhelming, I'm not gonna lie. Well, never bloody mind then. I look ridiculous. Oh, did it burn for anyone else? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, let's try this again. Oh my goodness, I don't think I can do this. This is so gross. Trying again. Oh my god. So I can't even last the whole time. This is literally, oh my god. This is disgusting. It just...
Oh man. Oh god. No. I can't stop sneezing.
Dude, it's only been 10 minutes. Shit's overflowing, bro. Oh my god.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
It's coming.
Oh my god.
I put garlic up my nose to clear up my sinuses.
I'm trying to see if this actually helps. I saw it on TikTok, so I'm trying it out. You put garlic up your nose, and it's supposed to like clear out your sinuses, but I'm like sneezing a lot, so. Oof.
This work? Yeah, I dropped a piece of garlic somewhere under my bed, and it's, I don't know. Like a damn sociopath! Okay, it's starting to burn. It's burning. Okay, it's been 20 minutes.
At first I had to sneeze so bad and often, but after 2 minutes it was okay. Leave it in for about 15 minutes. I sneezed a big one out. I had to wipe it off the whole time. Now the gross part comes, you can hear it, so scroll if you don't want to hear the sound. I can finally breathe again. It really helps, but everything smells like garlic.
Dripping. Yeah, it works. TikTok told me to.
At work. Oh, it burns. With the garlic in my nose. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, so we've been seeing this trend where you put garlic in your nose, so she's sick, so we're gonna, I'm just doing it for her. We'll see if it works because I have a lot of mucus build up right now. Yes. Okay, we got a cut, so, wait, I think mine needs to be smaller. Ow. Ew. I think I need to cut mine small. Okay, so I've definitely noticed it doesn't burn like that, but we'll update you guys in like 10 minutes because we're supposed to leave it at 20. Okay. Oh my god. She's sneezing like crazy.
Oh my god, I look like a tomato.
She's really sick, so that's probably why she's sneezing so much. Update, it's been like 4 minutes. This is really difficult to keep it. She took hers out early, trigger warning. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Ew! Come over to the seat. Oh. So, definitely works.